Mr. Abbey, Instrumentals.
I do this shit, y'all flow is energetic, but y'all know that shit's pathetic. Ain't seen so many hoes since my older sister's wedding. I turn my back on y'all, these niggas can't rap at all. They say they from the hood, well I hope they good at basketball. I smash your broad and laugh at y'all while giving dap to y'all. The guy that Palmer turn you dudes blue like Avatar. And after y'all niggas cross me, all bets is off. Breath let it off and laugh as you faggots crash your car. I'm about to crash the bar. Run your nose, I'm not snorting, but got a brick and it's whiter than Scott Norton. The cops forced them to hate rules and my 8 shooters made in Japan spit at your face. I call it great Muda. Let's take 2 of an epic scene. Your rep is mean. No sleep, but I'm alert. No amphetamines. Collecting cream off my words. I'm trying to sell them hope. You couldn't hang if you had a bag of tether rope. So let it go, cut a check or I'ma tell them no. I couldn't be more focused if I was a fucking telescope. And you telling jokes, you should be on Jimmy Kimmel. I see you pretty simple when you got that Henny in you. First you blowing smoke like a fucking chimney, then you say my name and expect me to be friendly with you. I show him love like a father while he hold a grudge. I'm rolling up a spliff so you already know what's up. I'm trying to live my life and let you niggas live a lie. Can't live inside a fucking box when we live to die. And I can't even express how I feel inside without these streets talking, cause these motherfucking hills have eyes.